Okay, so there's one more tool that we need to set up the environment. I forgot to put in the last video, but it's for screen mirroring from your physical device, mirroring what you see on the physical device onto your screen. Now, the reason I tried using Android Studios, but my device, it says it didn't have enough computation power for my device. I have a Samsung tablet. It's kind of old, but either way, if the screen mirroring works fine for you on Android Studio, you can try that out. I've never used it with a virtual machine, but if it doesn't work, there's a tool from Genymotion called Scrcpy. So let's download that. Let's see. All right, so go here and then go to the GitHub, search for it, and then make sure it's the official one, Scrcpy. This is it. And then let's go to get the app, and this is going on Linux, so let's click here. All right, so okay, we don't want this one. It says still experimental. I haven't done this in a while, so I forgot how I did it. I think I did it like this, but that's obsolete now. So, and we have Ubuntu, so let's not do that. Let's install from an install script. So install the latest from master, follow the simplified process. Okay, first we need to install these. Okay, so let's copy that and then paste it here. Oh, looks like copied too much. Okay, let's type the password. Here we go. Yep, let that run. All right, now that the download's finished, we can do the next step. Let's see. All right, clone the repo and execute the installation script. So, all right, let's see. We updated those, so let's clone the repo. Actually, let me. Oops. All right, copy that command. Where do I want to put this? Let's go into tools. Let's put it right there. All right. Wait. What is that? There we go. All right, it's cloned. Let's CD into there. All right. Oh no, we're in tools. Let's CD into Scrcpy. All right. And then we're gonna run. We need to run that install release. So let's see. Let's see if it works. My password. Okay, so it's installed. Now I need to run it. So all right, there we go. This is my app. This is my tablet. This is the app I'm going to use in the next video. So, all right, that's good. So that's how you install and get Scrcpy up and running if you can't use Android Studio screen mirroring.